Dear students, we are going to learn now matrices. First, what is meant by matrix? What is meant by matrix? Why matrix? What is necessary to learn matrix? If I learn matrix, what will happen? Everything we will be seeing now. First, let us see a small introduction about matrix. Matrix, it is having a very wide range of applications in many of the fields. Like in computer science, many of the graphic softwares uses the matrix calculation to convert the 2D image into 3D images. Coding for the animation has been done by the matrix. In electrical engineering, many complicated electrical circuits like loop current problems can be solved by the matrix multiplication. And in civil construction, matrix is very much used in structural engineering for the dam construction, historical and very huge building construction. Everything it can be done by the matrix. And in business and economy, it is very much used to calculate the interest for the loan the person who has taken. That and all can be calculated by the matrix. And in for the robotic movements, the matrix is very much used to check the robotic movements and controlling the robots. So these are all the many applications which is there in matrix. Apart from that, it is having very wide range of applications in many of the fields. What is meant by matrix? See, instead of telling a real life situation, a real life problem as a statements, if you are representing that in terms of a matrix, it will be better for understanding. That is, suppose if a class A has 14 boys and 13 girls, and the class B has 15 boys and 12 girls. Suppose if it is in that case, instead of telling this as a statement, if you are representing this in terms of a matrix, it will be better for understanding as well as easy for the further calculation. See, class A and class B, boys and girls. Class A 14 boys, 13 girls. Class B 15 girls and 15 boys and 12 girls. See, this is a representation. This is called a matrix. See, this is the first row, this is second row, and this is first column, and this is the second column. This is called a rectangular array of elements. Matrix is a rectangular array of elements. See, the elements will be arranged like first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, and so on. First row, nth column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, or nth column. Like that, if there are m rows, it can be represented like this. See, the horizontal lines are called rows. The horizontal lines are called rows. The vertical lines, these lines are called columns. So, matrix is a rectangular array of elements. In that, the horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called columns. And in this, see how many rows are there, that has to be written it up here first, and how many columns are there, that has to be written it up next. This is called the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. See here 2, 4, 5 and 6. Here there are 2 rows as well as 2 columns. So this can be written it off as 2 cross 2. And here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, Here there are 2 rows as well as 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So this can be written it off as 2 cross 3. The first thing, row has to be written. The second one, the column has to be written. So here you see here there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this can be written as 3 cross 3. This is the way you can write the order of the matrix. Let us see now the types of matrices. See types of matrices. The first one it is column matrix. See, in column matrix only one column it will be there. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows. But the column it is only one column. It is 4 cross 1. It can be 4 cross 1, 2 cross 1, 3 cross 1, whatever it may be. But in the column if it is only 1, number of rows it can be anything. But the column if it is only 1, then that is called a column matrix. Row matrix. Same like that. If it is having only one row. See, only one row it will be there. So many columns it will be there. How many columns if you want also you can have it. So this is 1 cross 4. After this. Square matrix. See square matrix. In square matrix, the number of rows as well as the number of column it will be same. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, minus 1. Here number of rows are 3, number of columns are 3. It can be 3 cross 3, it can be 2 cross 2, anything, 4 cross 4, anything it can be. But the number of rows should be equal to number of column. Okay, in column matrix, the number of column has to be 1. The order has to be any m cross 1. It has to be. In row matrix, the number of rows has to be 1. It can be 1 cross m. 1 cross any, how many number of columns you want also, you can have it. But in a square matrix, it should have to have the order m cross m. In the number of rows as well as the number of column, it should be same. Here it is m cross 1, it is 1 cross n, it is m cross 1, m cross m. See the diagonal matrix. See, if for the diagonal matrix, see we will be having the elements only in the diagonal. What is meant by diagonal? See, these elements are called diagonal elements. See, for the square, which one we will be drawing diagonal? This as well as this. And for matrix, this only we will be taking as a diagonal. See, this 1, 5 and minus 1. These elements are called major diagonal elements. See, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. See here, see these elements are called the diagonal elements. In a matrix, if you are having only the values in the diagonal, remaining diagonal elements are 0, then that is called a diagonal matrix. That means that here, there, here, these elements are all 0. I will be having the values only in the diagonal. Then that matrix it is called a diagonal matrix. Next one it is scalar matrix. See, in scalar matrix, even that is also a diagonal matrix only, but you'll be having the values in the diagonal. The values which is there in the diagonal, it has to be same. That is, see, suppose if I am having 2 in the first diagonal here, here also it should be 2, here also it should be 2. This is a scalar matrix. All the diagonal elements are same. Identity matrix. See, identity matrix, it will have only the identity elements in the diagonal. 1, 1, 1. Remaining elements below the diagonal, above the diagonal. Lower diagonal, upper diagonal elements are all 0. You will be having the values, that is the identity value, unit value only in the diagonal. This is called the identity matrix. See, 0 matrix. See, 0 matrix. It will have all the elements are 0. See, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. All the elements, row wise as well as column wise, everything it is 0. It is need not to be. It should be a square matrix. It can be a rectangular matrix also, but all the elements should be 0. See, let me write one more example. 0, 0. See, this is 3 cross 2 matrix. All the elements are 0. So this is a 0 matrix. But in diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, and identity matrix, all these matrices, this should be a square matrix. See, the number of rows and number of columns, it should be same for the diagonal matrix as well as for the scalar matrix as well as for the identity matrix. For the 0 matrix, it is not necessary like that. See, diagonal matrix, the elements will be there only in the diagonal. In scalar matrix, the diagonal only elements will be there, as well as the elements, it should be same. In identity matrix also, we will be having elements only in the diagonal, but the main diagonal elements are 1. It should be a unit value. It should be 1. Next one, equality of matrices. See, if you want to say that 2 matrices are equal, then the first thing what we have to see is the order should be same. See, if this matrix, if it is equal to this matrix, if the matrix A, if it is equal to matrix B, the order of matrix A should be equal to the order of matrix B. See, if this is 2 cross 3, that also it should be 2 cross 3. If this is M cross N, that should be M cross N. Then only you can compare 2 matrices. See, 1, 2, the corresponding elements, the order should be same, as well as the corresponding elements, it should be same. See, this is A11, 1. So here also you should have to have 1. This is A12. So here you will be having 2. This is A21. You will be having 3 here. So here you will be having 4. So we can say that these 2 matrices are same. See, suppose if I am telling 2 matrices are same. See, this is a matrix A. This is matrix B. See, if 2 matrices are same, I am telling that these 2 matrices, the matrices A is equal to matrix B. If it is in that case, this will give you the corresponding element, the order it is equal already, we can check it out. and the corresponding element should be same. So this will give you A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. This is the concept of equality of matrices. Let us start with exercise 3.1. See, in that only the basic problems are there. See, before that, the number of elements of the matrix. If the matrix has been given, how to find out the number of, if the order of the matrix has been given, how to find the number of elements of the matrix? It is m cross n. What is mean by that? Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an 2 cross 3 matrix. How many number of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. So the number of elements in this matrix, it is 2 into 3, 6 it is. So this is the way we will be calculating number of elements in the matrix. See the first question in exercise 3.1. See, this matrix has been given. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix. First we have to find out the order of the matrix. Next the number of elements. And you have to write the elements A13, which one it is, A21, A33, A24 and A23. See here, see order of the matrix. You know to find out the order of the matrix. Here how many rows are there? The first one answer it is, order of the matrix it is equal to number of rows into number of columns. See, there are 3 rows into 4 columns. Next one, the number of elements in this matrix. Number of elements is equal to m into n. Here m it is 3, n it is 4. So 3 into 4. How we have calculated? We have calculated like this. 3 into 4, m into n. Third one, write the elements A13. A13 means first row, third column. First row, third column. It is 19. A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. A31, first row, third column. First row, third column. Second row, first column. This one it will be. It's a simple question. Third row, third column. Second row, fourth column. Second row, third column. These are all the values for this. See, this is the second question in exercise 3.1. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have and what if it has 30 elements? See, if the order has been given to you as m cross n, the number of elements in the matrix it is mn. If this is order, this is number of elements. You can calculate it in m into n. So, if the matrix if it is having 24 elements, then it should be a multiplication of some n into n. That means that we have to factorize this and we have to get what are all the combinations we can have. And one can be m and another one can be a n value. See 24 if we are factorizing it. So see the combinations. What are all the combinations we can have? The first one you can take it as 1. It can be a 1 row 24 columns. 1 cross 24. The order can be 1 comma 24. So you can write 24. 24 rows 1 column also it can be 24 comma 1. And it can be 2 cross 12. 2 cross 12. 2 cross 12 also it is 24. So m can be 2, n can be 12. So one more thing you can write is 12 cross 2, and then 3 cross 8. 3 cross 8. So parallelly 8 cross 3 also it can be 24, and 4 cross 6. So you can write 6 cross 4 also, m cross n cross n, both it is equal to m cross n only. 6 cross 4. 7 cannot be, 8 it is there value, 9 cannot be. So these are all the possibilities. So the order of the matrix can be 1 cross 24, 24 cross 1, 2 cross 12, 12 cross 2, 3 cross 8, 8 cross 3, 4 cross 6, and 6 cross 2. And second thing they have asked for, if it is having 13 elements, 13 cannot be factorized, it's a prime number. So you will be having the factors only 1 and 13. So the order of the matrix can be 1 cross 13, or else it can be 13 cross 1. That's all, students. See, today we will end up with this, and you can write out the problem, third one, in exercise 3.1. We will be seeing the remaining problems of tomorrow.